Hi, welcome to another video by Plant Diary. Today we will take a plant shopping tour at Home Depot, located in San Francisco Bay, to see all the trending tropicals that the store is selling. Here are some hanging golden pothos. These are Dracaena sanderiana, commonly known as the lucky bamboo. These are Dracaena and Janet Craig. Here is an aisle full of Dracaena fragrans and Ficus lyrata. They are about 6 feet tall. The Ficus lyrata is $49.98. Here is a table full of Anthurium andreana with a variety of white and red blooms. This shelf is full of Kalanchoe blossfeldiana. And this shelf is packed with a variety of African violets. Here are some Venus flytraps. This is Plumeria. Here is a shelf filled with Bromeliad guzmania, and this is Bromeliad frisia. This stand has Caladium and Bromeliad frisia. Here are some pineapple plants. This aisle is covered with tall Dracaena marginata and yucca trees. This shelf has bird nest ferns and Dracaena trifasciata. Here is an assortment of succulents, such as a variety of Echeveria, Portulacaria, Kalanchoe, Crassula, and etc. If there are any houseplants or topics you want me to cover in future videos, feel free to put it in the comment section below. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to help with the YouTube algorithm. Thank you for watching. Until next time, folks.